Meaning of gingivitis.
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 Gingivitis. Gingivitis is a common gum disease that is triggered by the accumulation of plaque on teeth. It causes inflammation of the gums, which can lead to redness, swelling, and bleeding when brushing or flossing. If left untreated, gingivitis can progress to a more severe form of periodontal disease that may result in tooth loss. Common risk factors include poor oral hygiene, smoking, hormonal changes, diabetes, and certain medications. Treatment for gingivitis involves improved oral hygiene, professional cleanings, and, in some cases, antibiotics. Effective management of gingivitis can prevent more serious oral health problems.